Hello students, how are things going on? Hope that all had tailored yourself and created a learning habit during this epidemic season. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. Okay? Learning is not the product of teaching. Learning is a product of activity of learners. Learning in a systematic way helps us to achieve success in life. The best example who succeeded in his life is a living cricket legend, Sachin Tendulkar, who became a good cricketer with all his efforts. So surely there is no doubt that he is really an inspiration for all. So our second lesson in Unit 1, Learning the Game, is the second chapter of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar's autobiography, Playing It My Way, which he had dedicated to all Indians. The book consists of 28 chapters. It was written after he had bidden farewell to the pitch on 16th November 2013. It was written in a simple language and he had tried his best to make his autobiography as honest as possible. Let's know more about Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, the author of the lesson. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer and very early age prodigious talent. Prodigious means remarkable. He has many records, one of the greatest batsmen. He scored 100 international centuries. First to score double century in one-day international and the only player to complete 30,000 runs in international cricket and 664 international matches and 34,357 runs. And he retired on 16th November 2013. Can you identify this person? Yes, he is the cricket coach of Sachin Tendulkar, Ramakant Achrekar sir. Yes, here is his father Ramesh Tendulkar and mother Raini Tendulkar. Then this is his sister Savida Tendulkar, his wife Anchali Tendulkar, his daughter Sara Tendulkar, son Arjun Tendulkar. He is a batsman, right-handed batsman and right-armed leg break. That is his bowling style. And his test career matches 200, runs 15,921, 50s 68, 100s 51 and best 248. And this is his elder brother Ajit, who recognized his cricket ability and introduced him to cricket in 1984. He was born to a well-known Marathi novelist Ramesh Tendulkar at Nirmal Nursing Home in Dadar, Mumbai. And his father named him as a famous Indian music director Sachin Dev Burma. He owns a restaurant in Colaba, Mumbai called Tendulkar's Corner. And also, he is the youngest Indian player ever to feature in Test and ODIs at the age of 16. He is a co-worker of Cochin ISL team in the Indian Supreme League Football League. Also, he is the only batsman to have scored 100 international centuries. And the awards are Arjuna Award in 1994, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 1997, Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan in 1999, Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian, on 16th November 2013. So you can recall by yourself by reading the profile of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, which is given in your textbook. Okay? Let me just summarize what happened in this lesson. Learning the game. The story shares the struggling days of cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar and how he became the cricket legend. Coming from an ordinary family, cricket was introduced to Sachin by his elder brother Ajit Tendulkar. When Sachin was only 11 years old, his elder brother Ajit introduced him with a great player and coach Mr. Ramakant Achrekar in Shivaji Park Stadium. There was a trial happening for Achrekar's academy. Sachin, on his first trial in front of Mr. Achrekar and many famous cricketers, he felt really nervous and did not perform well. After seeing Sachin's game for the first time, Achrekar suggested him to try again once he grew up. Later, Sachin's elder brother asked Achrekar to give him another chance as he got a bit nervous and watched his batting while keep hiding. A second chance, Sachin surprised Achareka with his performance and got selected in the academy. His elder brother supported him very well in his journey. He even gave him a notebook where different batting tricks were mentioned. Sachin always carried that book with him even after getting the success. Sunil Gavaskar and Vivi Richards were Sachin's favorite player. He wanted to play like them since starting. Learning the game shares the extraordinary journey of cricket legend in his autobiography, sharing his passion and love for the game. I hope you got an idea about the lesson. Okay, now let's move on to the lesson. Learning the game. The story of Tarun highlighted the importance of hard work, encouragement, motivation in achieving one's goal. Now, let's read the words of living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar about his effort to become a good cricketer. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games. I often tried to emulate the mannerism of my favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indies legend Vivi Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. So in the first part of this lesson, it's very clear that how cricket played an important role in Sachin's life, no? And also we came to know his favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and West Indies legend Vivi Richards. He was interested in batting, still he loved bowling. Throughout his career, he bowled a lot in the nets during his practice section. So I hope it's clear till here. So the rest of the experience can be seen in the next class. So everyone should read the lesson thoroughly till here and understand the summary. Okay. So if there is any doubt, you can ask me.